Aalamin ko.
I'll find it out.
Kailangan ko yan ngayon.
I need it now.
Sa palagay ko nga.
I think so.
Bakit mo tinatanong?
Why do you ask?
Naabala ba kita?
Did I bother you?
Hindi naman.
Not at all.
Sasama ka ba?
Are you coming?
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Where are we going?
Basta, sumama ka na lang.
Just come along.
Mag-isa ka lang ba?
Are you alone?
Mukhang nawawala ka yata.
You seem lost.
Kailangan mo ba ng tulong?
Do you need help?
May kailangan ka ba?
Do you need anything?
Pwede mong sabihin sa akin.
You can tell me.
Baka may maitulong ako.
Maybe I can help.
Huwag na.
Never mind.
Napapagod na ako.
I'm getting tired.
Sobrang dami ng trabaho ko.
I swamped with work.
Bakit tinatanong mo pa?
Why are you asking?
Sabi ko naman sa iyo eh.
See, I told you so.
Sa susunod na lang.
Next time.
Hinay-hinay lang.
Take it easy.
Pag-usapan natin.
Let's talk about it.
Huwag mong sabihin yan.
Don't say that.
Kailan ka matututo?
When will you learn?
Hindi dapat ganyan.
It shouldn't be like that.
Wala ba siyang sinabi?
Didn't he say anything?
Makakaalis ka na kung gusto mo.
You can go if you want.
Kailangan ko nang umalis kahit pa umuulan.
I must go even if it's raining.
Hayaan mo na sila.
Let them be.
Bilisan natin.
Let's hurry.
Alam kong gagawin mo ang tama.
I know you'll do the right thing.
Hindi ako sigurado kung tama ako.
I'm not sure if I'm right.
Kaya mo yan kung susubukan mo.
You can do it if you try.
Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yon.
I don't know how to do that.
Ang hirap mo namang pakiusapan.
You're really hard to persuade.
Nakakadismaya ka minsan.
You can be disappointing sometimes.
Hindi yan totoo.
That's not true.
Salamat sa ginawa mo.
Thank you for what you did.
Hindi mo kasalanan.
It's not your fault.
Paano mo nalaman yon?
How did you know that?
Manahimik ka na lang.
Just stay quiet.
Kunti pa.
Just a little more.
Anong tawag dyan?
What do you call that?
Turuan mo ako.
Teach me.